are gonna see in 4x4 yaw or reduction is better and more efficient. So let's scramble the cube for it. So if you don't know what this reduction is about, first you make all the four centers. You make all the four centers like this. So you make all the four centers like this, 6 centers. Then you pair all the edges. You pair all the edges like this, and then solve like a normal 3x3, like this. Then you solve it like a normal cube. Do parodies. Oval. And then finally to finish off with a V-palm. Yay! For this, get a round of applause from the audience. Actually, there is no audience. Now, next, yaw method. For that, we'll first scramble the cube. And yaw, there is so much different. First, you have to build the two opposite centers. That can be anything which is comfortable to you. I am building white and yellow. And now pair the first 3 edges of the white. This side red should come. Instead of red, we'll put red. After this, we will solve the 4 centers, and now the leftover white edge. And now all the other edges by 3 to 3 edge pair. Then pair the edges and solve the cube like a normal 3x3. This is what basically yaw and reduction is. There's nothing much bigger than this right now. So let's take which is more time consuming. First, we shall have a look at reduction. According to reduction, first you have to solve all the centers. That is not more time consuming, but there is a lot more pieces to look. So that's a point to yaw. Secondly, wait a minute, I'll solve it. Then next step is edge pairing. This is the most time consuming ever step in yaw. So at this step also, reduction loses to yaw. So next, we shall take a look at the cross. We have to make a cross in reduction and start all over from the end like a 3x3. But in the yaw, the cross is already done for you. So you need not to worry about the cross. So according for time consuming, yaw is much better. Yaw is much better than reduction. But if you take a look at the 4x4 world record serves, which I have already made a video, you can check this video right here at the screen. There will be a card, go and check it. In this video, on that video, if you zoom in and see, the 4x4 world record solve as done by Sebastian. As done by Sebastian, he had used the method yaw because it does not require more look ahead and it is not time consuming to look at all the pieces. For me, yaw is much better than reduction. For me, yaw works better than reduction. With yaw, you can easily become sub 1 in 4x4, whereas in reduction, it is impossible to be sub 1 with a reduction. So it's the trade-off between your look ahead and your efficiency. Look ahead, you need more look ahead for reduction, whereas yaw is more efficient than reduction. So it's a trade-off between look ahead and efficiency. For me, efficiency is better than reduction. So I consider that you learn yaw at the very first place because it's more easier and efficient to learn. Right now, if you see in the right of the screen, there will be a card for my yaw 4x4 tutorial, and there you will see it. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure to please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye. I'll see you in next video at tomorrow 5 p.m. And now signing off, Sai.